Okay, so after we disconnect the battery, this is the LCD connection right here. This is another one right here. This is where the camera connects, and this is the antennas right here, the antenna and the speaker. So, and this is another antenna. So we need to unblock all those. Well, make sure you don't use no sharp object to remove them, like to disconnect them. You can use your nails if you have nails, like this. Not a lot of force, just a little bit to pop it out. You know, you gotta be careful. You don't wanna put too much pressure on it. Okay, so it came right off. This is the camera connector. It came right off. This one came right off. Okay, before we continue, the SIM tray need to be popped out because that's what's gonna keep the motherboard laying in here. So we need to pop this out. So we got the SIM. We're gonna pop it out. Okay, here you go. It came right off. Okay, so now we can remove the motherboard. Okay, what we need to do is we need to make sure this comes from here. Make sure you bend this over, bend this back. Okay, and now slowly, this is the motherboard is already out. So now the whole phone is apart. Okay, thanks for watching.